Where have you been? Naughty boys. Where have you been? Where have you been? Half an hour. Come. I missed you. Hello, my friend. Where have you been? Say hello for the camera. One hello. Say hello. Thank you. Where have you been? Huh? You've been far away. I was very worried. Where is your big bully brother? Where are you, Ruby? Say something. I see you. Okay. I saw Ruby. Have a seat over there. Have a seat. I show Ruby where Ruby is. Ruby's there. Ruby's there. That's Ruby. That's the big red bully. You two going far away. Bye bye, everyone.